Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over my Apple Music royalties for the month of September. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I wanted to share my royalty report for Apple Music for the month of September 2021. Now, as you can see, these sales are being reported from July, and if y'all know how music streaming works, or if y'all follow my content, y'all know when you generate music streams, you aren't paid until a month after. Now, depending on what streaming service you use to generate those streams, whether it's Apple Music, Spotify, Napster, YouTube, those royalties are paid out all at different times. So today we're going over Apple Music royalties, right? It takes about 2 months for you to get your Apple Music royalties after they generate it. So you will see we're getting sales from July, even though it's September. So that's 2 months ago. And I just want to go over this report with y'all. If we stroll down, you'll be able to see all of the different countries I got Apple Music sales in, or Apple Music streams in, right? But if we go all the way down, the one I want to focus on is the United States, right? You can see in July, we were able to get $1,693, right? This reported in September. And if we go in a little deeper, right, to the music report, right, you will see for 242,000 streams, we got paid out $1,600, right? And if we pull up the calculator, we can do the math and see how much Apple Music is paying per stream, right? We take the total amount and we divide that by the total amount of streams. You will see Apple Music is currently paying out 0.006 per stream as of September 2021. So I just wanted to make this quick video to give y'all an update on Apple Music royalties, an update on Apple Music royalty per stream, right? How much Apple Music pays per stream. I just wanted to give y'all a full update on that on this video. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all leave a comment. Y'all can reach me through my email at info@yonworld.org. Again, it's your boy Yon World. That's my video on Apple Music royalties. I'm out. Peace. I wanted to mention there's been some updates to my website, right? I'm gonna make a full video about the updates to the payment methods. You can now only use Stripe on my website, but I now offer the Apple Music method at the bottom of my order form. So if you want help promoting your Apple Music, if you need help promoting Apple Music, getting more streams, fill out this form, get the Apple Music method. I'll send you the exact link I use to generate my Apple Music streams on my account. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's my video. I'm out. Peace.